buttons though. The smaller dots, top and bottom, are just scroll up and down. Select is the larger dot in the middle. So if we press and hold that to take us into the setting menu, first of all, you can see the task we've currently got ourselves set to. It's on charge at the moment. If you tap on the select there, we've got charge, discharge, activation, and an analysis of your batteries. We want to charge today, so that's what we're going to select. Scrolling down, you can select your battery type. Now at the moment it's on auto, so when you put a battery in, it will detect what kind of battery it is and apply the correct sort of charging procedure for that battery, or you can just individually select the type of battery you want to charge. So you can go in there, we've got things like NiMh, lithium ion, loop batteries, but we're just going to leave it on auto for now. You can enable and disable activation charge as well, and then you have an input power limit between 36 watts and 10 watts, and you can adjust the current if you want to. The backlit, the backlight for the screen, if you select that, you can change it, just scroll between low, high, and middle as well. There is a buzzer if you did want that to come in, so if we select that to high, it's just when you are scrolling through, it will make an audible tone. And then high, middle, low, and off. Change the language, self-check as well, about the unit, so its serial number, etc. And then from there, go all the way down, you just go back, and that brings us to this main screen. So let's get ourselves some batteries plugged in. So we have a selection of loop batteries here. If I get these plugged in, so you can see as soon as we got the batteries in, it's jumped into life and we've got illuminated numbers on the various battery segments we've got it set up in. At the moment, those lights are orange, showing that the batteries are charging. They will jump to green as well, so at a glance you can see if the battery is charged or not. Now, as soon as we've done that, you can see on this left-hand column of the main menu that it's jumped to life to show us. At the moment, we're on number 13, that's highlighted down here. The state of charge of the battery as well. And then we've got various bits of information here to run through. So the power the battery is charging at, its percentage of charge as well, how long it's been charging for, and various other features such as the voltage of the battery. And then you actually get a graph as well to show you the charge status of that battery over time. Things like the voltage currents in there as well. We can then select the various batteries by using that up and down arrow. So we can jump from 13 to 9, you can see it adjusts on the side here. And that again is color coded with the icons up the top. So orange shows it is currently charging. Those will go green once that battery is charged and will appear with a big green tick. If the sort of status bar is pink, it means the battery is discharged. If it's blue, it means it's analyzing. And then if it's on purple, that's the activation mode. So the color here, orange is charge, it says it down here. The color shows you at a glance which mode your unit is currently set to. So another great feature you can see down here, we've got our battery resistance and also our temperature. So you can monitor if batteries are getting too hot. You see that graph's now building, that level of charge building up. We are at 99%, 35 milliamps charge currently, but then that will increase or decrease throughout the day, but you can just keep an eye on it if you want to. So the quickest way at a glance though to see the state of charge or status of all of the batteries if you have got a full rig in there is to tap that select button. So not hold this time, just tap, and that will bring you to this screen where you have an overview of every single slot in the charger, and you can at a glance see, look, at the moment we're all at 99% charge on all 4 of our batteries plugged in, and then you will have again color coded between the different batteries.